Yo, Bob John, Mamma, you know, yo, damn, I found chassis, sofo. I found chassis, and then someone yet it's no, and cocoa sono, Obia, said you chrim, and a young ma bebre, be a waffle, be ya waffle, do not pray, Emma, and quala, and they said, Nipa bebre in Tias, will be beware, I be a war emim. And obi so okra no de aware ni kura wonye bi nipa dodo no ante ase obu hon mo bedru ba bi no na afi precious bibri beba na kwan onwo onya na anware o ya sare awo kofo bibri be kan wonyi dudu o ye hwe wani mo matomi ntomo matomi shu o and then sem bibri ani ade mi busa sai sa nsem na ya na ye de keka titiriu a kire emma wabra bia o ma ware a awomma anaso o mo ware ye na o ma duru awompo no eyin sunsun so ben ene de ba na firi himfa bacho
bela se bebre na me chira
you daddy
se me na chise ne mpenifo se ehia ye eli mo wo na no mun na
that's that wo ye pani pa ye wa de nyina woni pani a wo mu
me kasa me na me kama sana ya kan
ani etu ani sam so betrim
amen woni se senkana Abraham ene mama Sarah etu kwan no mkoto wa ni bi efen Abimelech wasi Abimelech menyene no sananka sala tru akwala e kama ohene no nhwe so ne kwa kwa dai e kwa koda ana obeje no ba na ibonyina sem e ma sala kopie obi fie bonyiye ya de a yede ma enu bi yede ma ene du bi so a asem binti ene yede toso bonyini shada nya normal karetete no so be ye bonyina na oni nufo na no fo ketenkete ya feri nyame ayowa na no kra no emayfo na ye saade no na ehwo se ontumi muda etu won so bako fina ne maame ne hyedem no de eta eboposo se ne be ya
ye nyina akwa tamayi isusu awunufu no mantama na de ane ye fra boa bi se kotokro duro se dan bi na de na kawunufu na no
ene na eno ne ye empre ho
sa ne de ne ayewa
na de na ye eye ma de me kan se bonyini no eya de kese ebi ho a ewo abusuam ena efriba woni me say in the olden days nyakopon no mpe maturity child ana ayi eto ma sete fori nyini asa no mo
okay
Abraham wo shia Sarah ho no ne wo ayi say Adam omo wo ntentem Canaan Abel but o kan Bible Genesis chapter 4 ho na o so wonya mfihia wa ha aduasa 130 years
yeah
eno ba wo set set so no wonya 105 asa no Enos.
All right.
And Enos so nya 170 years. Asa no Canaan. Canaan e ya 150 eno home halali.
Da yen to aso.
Enti so
ma hwe be wi akire wo de sa no abeduru revelation.
Enti wo awo no ti edu Abraham so no. Ya me Abraham ekose Noah.
Sa.
Ba ne kofo ntiase. Cause insuyiri na kire na nipa onyame ma akwa mo wontem. Ho na benya 34, 29, 30. Ebedu Abraham so no kwan wotwe mo. Cause 70 years. Ba na nya big deal to God.
You're right.
Bonyini ye wo. Enyam bibi betima nam abusua so amma wan hwe ya se no abusua na tia. Awo no wontimi ho.
Okay.
Ene ye wo bonyina ide aye. Nene awo na doso nti mayfo no ye papem. Chidu ba wi abayi ene eye. Edu ba bi so na obi ho na akos abortion.
Okay.
No anya problem. Nso akọ abortion ke ntwa wo. Nso anwone hu se wotugu a omotimi de sunsum bi. Ebedi wachi se ya tese wa yegu. Etu hwe wo mo yegu a omontumi anwo no. Eye wo mo anu mu sha, no mo school mu a na ye beto medication so. Ye o mo nyemye, no nkọ no boduro, ne mo je etu no, na busua betwa ahia. Ana ne maame akoye egu ne afre ne maame no. Sa nkofo na me se aniwa bebrebe be mo no. Etimi twa bebre awo se usano we sa school anuntina ontumi ngo na se ba
na je sa ade ko na oyeye no
amaifo nyina ni abam.
All right.
Mama be ye wo be ye mo no ye chiche ebi a na no twa mo maame e de nya sika ofie ye mama me sika ye sa na warepa ni ama na wo ni ama maame nua na efe na fia no o de ye yi bibi efe ne so no wa debra ntu maame na efa na ntoma.
Okay.
So maame ni wie a o maame nyini no ba abre wa wie a wo no ne group no ba wie ase no o ba wie enti wono abe nwotwe wo ya wonsia wo ya wudu maame na mari ye hie ne no e se bayi mu ne pagya won so ba no so be yi tuwo se na ne baba akwa ka flat wo te class ya fence se proye no
da wo ye de na hu za ne mani nyina
bibi anu msa beto na ono no abe ye tuwo se maame na wo ye first no a wonya warepa de ko lawyer ana panyin pa no no ono ne ma no asase ehia wo tuwo se de wo kurase no a ono di ehia no na ne baba akwa no apagya na ya kware ne ye mo aduane di o enso so ma be ye a che yen maame ko fa ne ba ka se maame ko fa ne ma ba je ne munyam da bi ya to aba ofie ho anyone na ba anyone man na buy no
eti na je se de opeso che ne se ne je se obi nwo a na efri
de ka ma nti ba ko so ma mi sen na me ka say
me pa jo de ko
eti no wo se
me be so wo be si asem no so ma mi ntia
anyira na wo se so we na kwa me
Matthew
ya na en kra ko ko
Matthew
eti wo ni me eni se ba sa no a na ama wo hia ne ba na abe survival na uskani ba no a de na ma me ye no se enkra no mba afie yi ba akoma ne yakoa e woni nuano mu etini nuano na betumi ayi baba akoma betumi ayi hiani na dwe met said wajimi jimi obe some style ni asei ba akoma ne hotena ne ho fe no ni age na wode se ne be ya wo ma me ye nti no obedi yaw e woni ba no pe na sem na ho so se ne ba no pe na sem be ware kama woni ba me to ba to be ye ontumi ho just when ya sabi mu odina ontumi ho inside we ashase na da enti century bi bebe bia na awosu beba no bia na yi ni pa ba ko e ofie o na ebonyini enti bi o ho a efie no new yoye ene ye obo o ye be na abodam ansa no wawo ene obi o so se dam e busa ma me se dam ene awo no bonyini kora o modam o se bia me pese o modam wo so be bonyini de o modam
obi na eye
very good enti bayi ene hyehye de fra busuamon hyehye ti betima mo anya eba ene bo so aware a na yakona te be me na busua no mahia
da ya te ne mpani sem se ye binum tai ka se ye wonkrofo bi ho no ma obekọ busua ni no obi a wo baako obi a wo baako obi a
anu ye
awo baako bi wo kra wa anya bi kra eno so ye kasan hyehyɛ
anu ye aginaye anu ye fa na aginaye sa aginaye ne se ebi atete no na ewo nipa bebre ne edisika enti abusua tu agina na abusua panina akwaji tumi abefie ne abedua aboa te se okra so
da wonim ma yentwe ho bra wa hwe ade oye no edos me yenkotie ye ni ye obi ka say normal people there ye ba na for the spirit no wo dey atechiri e dey amaye ma me nko nana ho nana enne especially ye the social media nti ne tin sem na say media nti ye tin sem pa ye mainstream media kwanti ye hu nioma ne ade Ghana han ma ye akoye te say e ya ye style bi e ma bebre wo no ma o se be ma mai enti ye ne mewo e janya ha na me ba betuna ko bo bi di me nyam na me ko ka say yellow are ubehu obi na wawo ene we yawo onikun ene ade o feel say pressures na ya na efiri yanya ne top pressure ma ye hu ana say ye nkrofo bi na hyeda hyehye ma ye boa ye nkakra
yo mami eba me da se
o ye politician kum entertainment ni enti wo de ni nyina aka ni nyina
mami wa dia na me hwe wani mu yi me yamba ejuma na edi kan before am ba 1 minute bi me nchia Goma Central for say omo ya ade me buy for the past 2 months me ni ha na me buy no calling na no odin
omo first
anti mitimu say omo afem na me so mafie omo ti Goma Central executive NDC executives ne omu nyina no
so ni omo tena yi so fine
exactly nti me chia me da masenso odo amoyi ade a kire me ena unu se me NGO no so ye hwe ekunafo njanka ne disable ne ade me ba no so em se me read you Americans America na issue bi about say men's gold issue me mesro we de ma 1 minute
yenko here in chop
da bi me kan no asa na mesro problem bi e wo ho no ye besra aban because sister enye easy e make kunafo so de oni se mtimi ye program make kunafo be 2000
me say o eno no e kire na de ase ho
ye conclude
ye be wi na mama wa men's gold
okay no kra no necessarily men's gold but me kunafo ne me njanka ne hia no
all right
nti you mama me da say em say societal pressures ne de mami wo your ba na unya clock 28 ekwa enye easy because me a victim.
Oh sir.
Oh yeah, me worry at the age of 30 or 31.
Okay.
Yes, into me nim the America. From 2018 equal. Jesus Christ. I Ghana ha. Da ben na obe worry me so me school ko dey na asem na say. Na me san so ka say me finance. Me san so ye me masters in finance no. Jai sister. Ina nti wo ko school a ko si da ben. Ina nti wo nye na worry. Ina nti den. Ina obetwa wo. Sister, enye easy. And to say me obi go through Sanya mana. But obi aso no odi ni kunu ba obosia ho. So what I say?
I am free.
You don't know society no. Society
na kasa.
Debi I know dey mean to say your time. That one part dey your time. Majority no say we busuafo a omodo ebi so dey ya asempe.
All right.
No cry ba akope. Ebi ya asempe. Ono anim say all can on sheda ndo pe say but obe pass them keke.
Okay.
Na ebi nso e fa ma me no papa dia eno de omo show concern eno we busuafo ni onyankofo bi e closer to you no.
Okay.
Ebi also so omo kan na no e concern di. Ina odi aye life ba onye no nware. Ina waye say ya onye no nware. Nti ye be ya afi bedu bebi no de ebebem no say ebi mo so be frɛw. Sister o de ekunu ni bi mba ye na wo. So what is see ebi mo sheda akokoji donor oni boyfriend nso no wanyema wo.
Akoji den.
Donor sperm. Artificial insemination.
Yeah.
Oshada ko ni boyfriend on na enyem sabi onya sperm mpo nka ne egg na wawo. Nti oni boyfriend no wakwaji donor sperm na o dey like insemination artificial okoto sperm na wawo. Ye dey ayama no because pressure was society ni no sister untimi ngina no. O dey on ware aye na wo. Na nyame ambo na okodu 35. Na se won ware dia na me ma odue e wo Ghana ha. Enye easy. Nti e basa na ayonkofo wo asori wo ebusua wo obi so kra na onimo no so kra no so so passam so opewa ase obi on ye ne politicians die obi on ma nye na danfo no nye ne so be or your constituents na nanom me for instance me for instance yes because obey MP e also nya obi kan especially me call primaries any ahemfo me call musu nyina bisam sem aware but no me hu say e kan adwuma no ho e concern yes e no de me nkasa mo mpem asem e concern say obey
na wo so hwe na de nti na wo nware sa abre na ye say obi kan hwehwe animu na ye wa na ana na wo ni aha wo de twen se me sisa kwesi de me mpre o na eye hwehwe animu na ye wa wo se manye pie parliament de a ene mehwe wei ana se president kra metimi a che no ana se de ana se osofo yi na we kra ho na ye me level wo hwe a eden panti na at that level no Emma bebre so for meba ho na wo che da kire yen especially spiritual way say no say obi na bo mo hweti o sedan yo na ye nyina
em say oba nkasa wo society we manasa Africa ana Ghana no oba peja bebra nanim koyedu mema bebre suru mema no so omo benya akukudro be ko no sister nsema ye be ka kire omo no me say me ye victim o sa niam ani nyina na me ka ba be say even nyame wadom na wanyi obi kura be ware no ya frɛ be ma no oba we di obetimi oba we di obehyew oye banker oye HR manager oye actress na wo designer bag
sacred politician crowd ya na
election class ka obetimi etua me bi atomi after me worry we even keke sister some don't say me wedding eba social media even TV so stations will be the news
Saudi na wo scanty levels
is enye ne sample
dey yan koso
sister obi kra oni me fa phone na wa freka ukru ho ofedodo be mo ho ofedo mo nhwe ma just like that ukru ye TikTok me mo ye TikTok dey mo nye papa problem just say be mo ye TikTok nye papa how just like that wa conclude ne keke ya te say ukru ye adwuma we ne say we dey e ma sam just say from left right center just say omo keke gu wasum sa na me so ono so ne dey omo ka kire no no eno so cry your words the only is Ghana for yen hwehwe animu nti nyame just wa bre na nyame aye wadom na ba me bi nya akukudro nso sister wa ba forward e be ware no na nyame aye wadom na asofofo abedi nkom hye be ka ho dia na asem na say sister me dem nim dia me ko me se me
now who can santi na me che ba America me ba mo cho a former minister Rahel Nanajo Apo uti din no na se on pese obeto mo asi ya pajo na de oyelita ahye ni mu wo be hu Rahel Nanajo Apo na ye kana asem enti pajo to aso
me wa America me hu se be ka aware sister me ni agye me just as if say me shout na me se me ko share comment social media, Jesus Christ.
Sister
Maria, we bit quite because a contract marriage. Our way be 1 month, our way be 3 months, which me what that experience. Nipa to me for phone friends and now I'm so aware with the about 3 months.
It is often listen nipa the pressure.
Exactly. Want to mean you're happy for be for just 1 minute. Want to mean you're happy for be our worry. Ya me am don my bro 30 years na my worry. I was na be sha me nkom say worry nbegu. Like what I say, it's so serious. Who won come she be a bompa me obi adwo me hu se ukru no.
See.
Na me hu se ukru ni esenti toto ho niama.
After marriage, were you pressured into getting pregnant or something?
Make up all. Say parliament who front to money at the measurement too much from Timisha Hill. Like me one something. And not the end jai. And I was a hill I won't want them. No, I want at a quick and aha. What the hill no crabby pian, the anato. She said, and yeah, easy. Nina from before I worry him no. And now when you'll be crowd who dates no no. Oh, baby, something nipa when you know how many months. Oh, 3 months, 6 months. Sister, mencha, Bema, they do 1 year and I drink, sister. She said, just into one
as a funny we share my experience.
You too serious. I man
Ghana nipa pressure. This time we are nipa pressure people.
Me say you serious. Me you serious as I'm na yekin. I was say mba na enware no. Omo ankasa ehu omo vision the was as so me say na meka. And as a woman so add value to yourself.
How dey member ho.
To me member answer na worry. But say who add value na ma age.
Say member ho.
Value ni member na ma age no ko enimu no. What you say who add
value say bia we go school.
Exactly.
We learn some trade be
like kakra we support be man ti niam bebre on ma we add value to yourself. Na ho na be ma age ni be ko. Wa worry na so na awo nim no pressure is me the societal pressure na wo aware ni awo ni de.
Who adding values and then I can who add value and then no just say men worry
oh sister
we add value
no there so nyame show obi an ne de
okay
who kind
of side meto
na say unya kunu na wo be worry
okay
say you investing ko be your wedding na ko bi media mantam media ba after me even my be MP kra me deputy minister na me worry
okay
say me worry ntema nke bi
na say okra na unche de nyi bi amoro so
na me nyini nso 30 ya me kenyu 30 ni kra me nyini sa
minister de we ya yebu se wanyi o so minister ni pa ne be
so man na free ninti I was say ye dress formal
ye person just ni pa ne be minister sa na mo sister na me abu bi te nyina so ebu pani te wanyi adu a te se pentecost ya ukodi ye da kra na e so ware wan ko mie I guess ye ko eni mama nko na ya ho no na me ba to ye mra so ne nsama ye kan de ye be wie na obi ye nya ne de ye hwe se o fele se society omo rights obi ka say omo ye nyina okay ye nyina say ye nyina society tim fa say na adwa eti ho young girl and a young woman with okonanim onware ya ye were right to say ye be busa de ekoso nti a onware de nti a onwo ye ene ade should we be worried say nipa obobra konanim nanso onwo ye say society ye worried ana
okay me da wase my mention say fi opanyin bi a wa broach me my friend epitatus and I can say me say
hepatitis or no hepatitis by an
baby
cause we
near okanity and say men are not disturbed by things or events but by the views made of them.
Okay.
It just say enye
nyoma yetwa go the fire
e ba ye so no
ni isuru
e na tete yen na ema ya adwemu ne eyi na haye ma ye reho ene ade ne mum adwen ne ekwan ye fa so e process ade no eno na ema no etete yen.
Okay.
Saint ni say asemo a ubisa say should society be concerned na maybe the concern is sure not necessarily worried said ya okay as I say society na ye woman no and I say baby ye wono as I say ye kwa aware and as a young na say awon e maya as I say e ha omana make say ane Saint ya etisa ni say ohwa maame e kasa no o kan say abayiwa edu baby ene mafo a abaye bi du baby na se awo no aware ne mba some of them be prefer say obekọ no akwa nyinsen awo with or without a man. Say or boyfriend and also will be on an wow, bet me I can say. Oh, the own wire cramp and yemme, and any menyam na menwo. And now says, so new
be quiet to make us a me, I'm a
new beer, obe warrior, obe warrior, and also new be on in and nam cramp, obey to me, alcohol, say a man or sperm, now on yem no. Now, such things have implications for the society.
Okay.
So a banner the necessary society a show concern.
Okay.
Now a bium uwa busiemu maame na awo ebusue bi na wa film a waba enu nti say awo ne ma o maame obviously be show concern. Me ba Rahel wa ware at the age of 32 when ya aware na bi 2 years awo ma maame bia naturally obe hana say ne ba ekọ aware obehwe kwan se
onwoye ana bese clarify we o maame 2 years onwoye ana awone mai me ka where ebia the society ni kran shede nim the reasons behind you are not giving birth.
No, I mean, right. It's not necessarily about the reason. Okay. But say I want Maya now ubi says a show concern. Should they show concern? That's what I'm saying is there. Okay. Because it has implications on the society. To me,
yeah, but then I'm person me clarify one time I see the person can say I want Maya and it's no onwoye. The American as here. I want him my so wow you are so person wona I want him my and as no say yes say e be kra wa we decide say one person be the American as here. Anything I make say it's a clarification and me busa no.
Now ye my muha involuntary childlessness say one kasa wa worry na why you say what dear and no idea and tansi ewo maimu say obia aware no or hwe kwan say obewo and so the aspect of differentiating between voluntary and involuntary childlessness so obi aware no why na just say awo no on person owo and also say wa ware na awo ne emba na that is not neither here nor there because obia hwe kwan say wa ware no awo no ebeba
ba yen de no so de enye obia
I mean, we are talking about
that be who can say neither here nor there. We say you generalize it, but then there are equally people are almost a warrior. Obu hon mo person man hold some time.
But talking about some whatever it is, na dey ya
Meti wase o, me no me nyi wachinye. But person say yan clarify ne say ye will be or wawari a
man who sometime
ye won sanko for no ho ti man ye ne say obi a wari we ya no person
but society no we didn't know say me can the society no dey omunye concern about time a odi ahye wo mo dey ne say wo say na papa yi ka
listen ye wo voluntary childlessness obi a wawari why na agent say wo da nye say wo twen yi kakra ansa no wa wo
okay
what did I make please listen. Why worry? And so why you say one or why would you worry any pen or pay? Now so no on pepper on what that copy say ube what you say that is one category of people and that you want involuntary childlessness it says say onipano wa worry and so I want my me patch what you say now say what worry na say wo train kakra one kasa to nyoma bia we family planning you also fall
and I be a wo school and
you also fall under this category.
All right
but what you say you na make say yeah memu ha
me patch off Matthias
very good voluntary childlessness so obi aware no ankasa say me dia aware no kwa na me pe na me pe ba me
nya ma dwen say
mewo da akopem say mewu no it is not there. But I feel the
me ti wase de me so me can say obi an say but the person just say obi anu atwimu kakra
all right
me so na me feel say what am say
so that falls under involuntary one person e be a school wo twen kakra any ade na but now question na me di ba be say in all aspects no as a society no ebemu in such a way said whatever decisions who was society who's sociology as I say anya won kwa na wo anything now you are living within the society you know there should be some concern because what decision may affect the society in one way or the other.
All right.
Sense ukowo abofrebi say empepi omo a aba yanimu a yani omahia young ladies a aba yanimu a yani omahia omo aga say omo niku na omo pese ye boa mo with donor sperm na omo de wo no say ade no ba wanim so how no ba so a your attitude towards getting what you want different.
Okay.
It will say ye do omo be fa entity mu counseling mu ni one implication of getting a donor sperm. So ubefa obi sperm at the enyisen wo brekun wo nim ne papa. Now obeya so counseling ni echi no be say ebi mbeka say whatever it is makwa akoye na bia akwaje donor sperm no de enyisen onyanyisen pe na afei na the real thing ni aba ne ho so say onyem oba be wo abofra no eni papa oba be wo abofra no bebisa no questions oba be wo ebi bebisa say o papa wa he ene ade afi na the person has been confronted with these issues so in a band sana society also has some aspect
to kasa obi bet match round boko why
all right so intino eye adia ewo hono mu a one obusuafo have to be concerned is that say wo abusuamu said dia obia onua bi yare ewo abusuamu a munyina no show concern
okay
obi ewo ha mu a munyina mo show concern obi awie school no onya adwuma munyina mo show concern
nipa no won ya say
na won so onwo ya and that abusua no ebe show concern the society there are some implications I no so betumi about society no so as say omo so show
concern Medafo ye na de ensam no de obenya mu nyina ye nua bi de free Italy o say mama I love this show o say good evening to you and your panelists o say mama my night is always memorable with you because you are outspoken and in-depth in your analysis on social issues. In fact, mama, you do all. God richly bless you. Sweetheart, Meda say papa. Ye nua baby o say mama good evening to you and your panelists. I say, God bless you so much. It's true. I am a victim. Nana Jemai from Italy. I am 35 years and I don't have a child. People always ask me when I am going to marry and have children. It is too much, mommy. For them, women get expiring dates. And your person can say, a madi or no say what 35 and Crawford no da be na be worry obisa Mame Yeboa good evening to you and your panelists. This is Peter from Ashaman. We should not marry under societal pressures, but we should rather check ourselves and see if we are ready and well prepared before we marry, because it is a journey of no return. Mostly societal pressure marriages don't last long. Yenua be me bi no so edeneb dia ba sofo ma memra so said ye ka ni nyina chi na je say I say awo ene eyi enti ye say me ware na me decide say me wo said ye nana ekan me ware but me pesa me wo said ye be ya twa do pam no me wo baba ko me wo ma mienu eno so afo obi ho be
also me dia na me say that baby na ne former
ko baby a wo pese o ko bia
so me this spiritual thing no e back home so
but dem pese me chene say bi so ha kakra no chene say de hye wadwen mu no me hye ho a yibra
when me say I want to be brebe you know ni pantimi enware no bibi sikwan so mo na kra na timi breaking him
Susumuna.
And so down no be the man no have sex.
Spiritual marriage.
Yeah.
Nenu na ye no kre. Yes obi ho no no onya feelings woni trim. nya feelings when it trims buso wa ko twabi na se ye ne boda ko dara ye I was say bi ne me abeda why na ne ma abeda
you are evil you to me bi wo ho a omo di sa adwuma no o say wo honhom a enum ti efie ene ye honhom a enum dade ade egu ade
omo ne hwan no
woman in the beginning of the world according to Genesis chapter 6 Nyakopon angels and in the padai Yame bufui and no catch us.
I don't know if physical or spiritual.
Omu physical spiritual, but omu have warfare na physically also so. Because of that, in the Judah one, was in a medium attitude of Maku bed.
All right.
And I was a man chrome penny or heaven. No one joma trap that to any papa die.
Okay.
And I can't verse 8 or say, when I at Diasopho, I would teach me dear Etria, no mugu and munyam for Omuka on one somebody. Okay. And to a bank and munyam Kawareno, no so soon been in a barbeda, was sending munyam noa, a man you pay a mile.
So for Jinaho, a dear nebema sunsumbi, fast a minute and najwa. E dey na be ma sunsun bi me fa me ho nya example be na adwa be ona na no share shows de na ma brochire e dey na sunsun bi e be mo choose na adwa no ne na ba beda na on fa me ana say obi ja e dey na etwe sunsun ba nipa honom ne ombeda sa spiritual marriages no kire ya be free
a bit is say that make come big for ya say ye ko obi ti oba ye camp no yes we dwe enti wakwa na be ma so wore ya expect say wore sa be ma no ya ye okunu bibia okunu be so ba ye kwabensani ti sa na tere ye nto awodiem na se ye to awodiem wie a okunu be hase anom nsa isa so wo ododo enti the format na ye de be to awodiem no
ya hihye
ya ma obi mfa sperm emegu woyem enti ye be soma kromo komfo anasa hombone bi ofro family ne ya genetic na water bi won be mem and when be insect won mo pu sanso no egu ayase
tire ne be ma no de ba
ne be ma no de ba spiritual way no ba kwabeti no wada enti oba sperm no de begum na o tam no be so obebu aye a edua na o menses number bo so mo so ase ye o hyehyehye te de nso hye na enso abeka kire ne tambia spiritually no ye no wa wodi ni
e je se bibi koso ho
enti bo so ye si wa wodi ano kwan wo no da ya o so ya na sperm na hwegu
eno ya na sperm no se oni obema ni oba da se no kra ye pepa eti se ba bonten de na che se ehwegu
obetimi di wanim due anante abobi akacho so ho efe na susu so betimi bi akata ni mu abema ntimi no and I bet you say kasi be sawa de betimi bi akata wani it's the realms of the spirit no they different so you from aretofo tell Bible say nyam no honam no je na nyam no wiase sumatofo areto omo areto obi to so re said the opposite would do no me ma wunu
it just obetete
very good ya fa say ma me wodi aseda me nyame say wa antimi ampase but bia na ya de kitu na so ofam na ko sa akon
the second way no
very good
primaries na obekwa ene ya ka kire no famra
uja wo na wote failure sia but now but was how kwa wo say yes e bia ne kofo kwa enu ye ho said the odi ka bi so sa we na me papa and ade biara nipa wodi mu gugu no who said there's something be push you off
tell say to the bia ade ne ye wodia and so na de kono nti sunsun mu no je se bibia sim kwan
free ho no say wan hwe free ho a e kwa ni temi na ho
so for we de boa me mpacho bibia akoko no e ho wowa na mo de boa me ansa ha no kakra ma me enti be fa say young woman na wasi so te say na maame esi no te say Betty say ofa broken heart mo enche kura ne ade
uti nti nche ma
yeah hwe say Edin say me fan say bia our spiritual marriage. Edin na be mo no ankasa wo be hu.
Obe feel.
Apa obu ho omo no anware yo. Edin no de be hu. Obepam me ba ne nchen. Anase o mu ade anase obi ne da na ba besi ana mema be bu ne kwase asa betiti o.
Spiritual marriage na o feel no. O feel ses. O mu be ma that is.
O feel it.
Intercom obi no woda.
Intercourse dey intercom.
That's a mechanical.
Love, yeah, that be kind of can you know I said what kind of casano. Can you the intercom?
Sorry, Mitchell. And the idea that Baba was no a baby and the people too soon, when I'm home, and people too some. And since a bear man or Obe Jano, I didn't bet him the bear man.
Ah, so be down.
on prem. A rebel won me chapel. At its 24 minutes, Mussos Posano. Then if fear no so be.
Was it then? It's so for Uncle for be some Okasa, Tommy said until Casantia to was it. Because Mr. Mani was super.
Okay, Matthew. And the petty to be a buano. A very nice girl. This should assess any fear over warrior. They do say. Wa pa aware no be ma yeso opewo a ono okasa na kafrata me sase no aka na woteta enti ema 25
yeah we dey abeti ni ma miesi monwi hu ye ukodu ba bi na wuyi frama pu a na no kire se wo fi abefu abehye woto so for kasa
ono ba no o try say sa dey because omo pa 25
nana aye bi yawo Oko abrojo ko tete rough. Me amaso wu awasa abra masam. Rafo we ansam no. Wo se wa dey obi ka so pewa. Na nya sa wo teta.
Oh, my mom continue.
Wa do time so na be me so be ware no. Be ma ko be.
Where the obi nyuma say, o teta o se ya teta. O teta no aje so ya teta. Lofu, me baje, me no ya fine pa na kasa na kasa za wa we be so program. Etenye se be ma na kasa opewa. Me ti ase me mo kasa ba de pesa me je se. Tiri se be ma na kasa opewa. Dey so ko gu hu ani mas won anim.
E be sisa ko bi so be jai.
Atita nko a.
Ti na no ba ye ho no. Ti oba ye no. Na soja ni bi so be wara. Soja ni se dey see bi open no. Ti oba wa no open na. And was soja no ko die until the next day. Be ma na da ho e na to mi bi ba so ka che ne se. On hwan a obeje ne yere. No no se girl no oba che wa ne girlfriend so onim wo si girl no be no obeku no. Eti e sa sempa na so na akware ne tie. E no freke say obi a ma no warning. Mo say won obi a. E na girl so wo ma ho bi no girl ne pa na cho. Be ma na ba ne girl ne di nkomo. Na obi a pia be ma ne ho no. Was kwasia man kan kire o. No putu soja ni no. O putu ne na kana kwana tia hwe no collapse.
Sa asem we mi TB. E bi atwam.
To hospital of Pantan. Soja ni no ni ba so da Pantan hospital for 3 days. And again no.
Obutu soja ni. Ama soja ni eye mre.
Say sunsun na be ko.
All right.
It only do hu ye no. To any ba so da Pantan hospital for 3 days. And again no e ba me chapel na no ye. Oba na ye deliverance ye ka se sunsum aware no. And wo sha se ka frache oteta. Enti yiri free ni pen.
Etu oteta ho honso.
Enti wo free ni pen bet.
Zabu me buzo. Eteta no na din ana se boko ni bia. Zabu me buzo se eteta no. Din ana se boko. O se bi ho ye gentle. E bi fu.
Zabu.
Wey, ya ba ya bantu. O di to no aje so ya teta.
But why free so am ya wa nine way? Why free?
Ete na je se nyame nkonko deliver no.
Very good. It is spiritual things and go no. Egu ni pere ni mase. Tete the mo man no, se mo be be kasa. Be man fi so be pew and wo ba wo che. Wo chi ma chinga. Wo chi ma bibia, but wo kasa wana sent bi fi nenum. They said toilet na ba him. Oh, gentleman sano. So we are careful who say any center. We are catching a down for all the man say, Beman company power but no more. Would you all start what I've been to say?
It's a say, I didn't any bearman. You all about him.
Soon be. And you will buy the chair. Why you say, oh, my bearman when you're for Emma one train. And now I had to tell who so. To Bearman I said, we'll be in the room and I never will so. Bearman walk by the room, actually went down for an auntie. Bearman then said, I can't room auntie. But about one chair or took up him say, who will funo a jano, amanacoro. I said that you won't say, said it is I went. It's
just I didn't bet to say, Bekanwa, my walk around Copeni Pan.
Some might be because of center for their food.
And also, Kahuna will be so hana, maybe who in here, pen or so.
Very good because of that.
Because especially to say Ghana for so he may. Nana Dwanumu ya my stars any ministers any sikafu any ade. But oye penny so no so your star. What a young woman, I abo mama to talk on one. My father said to obi to say ano. And no money at the end. They say Nina can who be a to be a night said wow.
No,
but mount horses are.
Onya with the openo. There was a sentence and kitchen or anyone brief is mema. Because my beautiful girl, to remember me. Oh no, wawari, make a face now. Was an worker when you had a choice. But I never met him a deal or baby and it's a bar over Kawa, Diana, untumengo. Na ye be untumengo. So when ya man of God beat his said yet, ye, ya may saw your sweet breaking or yes.
So a soft Joshua J. Or yes, you dim. What do I say? May your program could our come once a mile 11,400 and enemy. Oh, a grobenso because he oh, me bet Accra han quite 11,400. Me bet the 980. Me bet the 980. I feel so static. The static coconut now. Say because of didn't buy some country. And to say a powers be any jama be prayer. I am shishia tabani mess the banana you must start. Only mention on what quite cafe on what quite dry. Bibi catcher say where free one. What you mean certain quite chilly, none I would in what could be. Nina ye tormenting a soon be any false woman, a mummy sa name. And she was spiritual tense with her. Yen animal cafe cartons and your home. And you almost will be a new pre game, will be necessary walk, will be near who. What you can say, won't you move by man at Chenia woman? Oh, yeah, right. It's that kind for our home, but our son. Any pair child was she, any bow was so our womb, and I be I want to me man. Let's soon smart to what's a matter. Wow. Until you to be wasem, and your money fair for. Now, for when I was selling for what church for. No more church, and any break a day. About so, I wouldn't now will bring out one church, and now it's also called German and this of your baby or bass a war. Now, it's in my corner. Why you sue my 1 year we will cancel the team. I'll call when I'm could be 1 week. Oh, by a Kushana or depression. It said a bear, what dream near dear. It's a medium, but my charm for self. One moment, an extra 30 to 40 years. BBSC, a woman family. I wish you and Miss Uyabunini. Yayo, yet Unyabunyo, but yet Yayo, yet the trio. Who said, one Nipanocro, who say, and you may be a Didiswabia. As soon as we bow Wakwamuna, we see we bow Wakuma, some Bakuna, and Sadia Bakuna, a repeat, a Wonipa Bibria, and you so they say, so you're worried. What's that? We are can't say much or town, I'm no program. The country sister be a friend and I'll be with your Columbus, Ohio. Not Unyaba, but when you did be man, fate is also the name of both. So, what's in your Quabaku? And a man professing with the 2 crying to be caught to an archer, and was in Commission Machine, a bem bat Uniba. By the me na dumua me buy and wano, and we who say soft one of just to be shower mayo, or you call me boss on Pon who could dear me yas of you, and we're calling tripless. On what I'm V8. Who said the word, power si biti mi do wachi kopem se obese de ewuwu ti embrekia de kona enti na nkran ketekete ka kire na se me se me ma me sika enye akola no na se sika no ehye no a ewo efie na pam no ene ebe break ni ma no so sa de ma na so woni ba Jesus so fast so ka so koto abon sanfo se ma o mbe kwa akogye a chompa ba so fo eno ni ade asisi ehu no de muka nyina obi anya nyame ni papa anko be ko ne ho enso to de bi ayi nipa nkrofo nya nyame nipa for the say we to afro to afro o de cast one pay to Friday almost and say to say obi be ma we no o ka say bi a twiaka no to fo no bra fa bo le nkrofo mpe say de sika bi a drink we say but money ne twiaka na je drink because me ba me no me na ye me de me nya adwen say beti me nya drink ama me church anka me enti hwa na ye ma o si we na ye ma so okay ofa me ma me ko bompa ya na yo bia ba me na yi ba ko so na me cho ba be hwe cost na e say mo bia twa sika kakra eto asera me de drink na dey e ba no e say nya me asem so ye de ma kwa ma mo ti bia mo fa ma kwa ye ma kwa dey preaching no so dey preaching dey ye de ma dey attend preaching no empa bo so e ye kwa but say e me ko ntoma untimi kan twa so koto me ko ntuma so obi so obepa won so ohia me ko ntuma o say ai obi obepa wo je pa bokwa ba bia no ohia bibi o le me so e bia ma no fa ebo enkoto na ne das ebo so fo anu kra de enye sikasam no ne ade kra ya ebinum tia no kra obi ensuro ba ni pa bebre ensuro ebinum ho no so obekọ na nim no so fo no obeka se wo maami bia fe be wie na de ntawa bibiri abefie obu ha wo maame na ye papa bi na ye oyi sititi be wi akire no na nipa a wo kɔ no na efie edin no ko hu sofo ni mum na ne fie a deja menim sa wo de wo ka hu mum but de wo mu say ni nyina ka hu bi na enne nipa bebre nhyɛ de ni gidie wa sofo bebre ebinom emu no sofo de e baba wo gidie ne san no so aha wo de nsɛm a waka de me nim wo dada ntinya fe ne e beje ho akinye wo de o ye good wo ye papa wo so de nyame kron na ye adwuma na so an so nim sɛ mu bi so wo wa yanko ye nim da be nyanjeje so keke nyanjeje so na sɛ obi gigi obi so ho obi wo nim nyame asɛm a wo de obi anim ntinya fe ne e beje akinye nana
no do
ene young girls sɛ obi tinka sɛ onyin obema bi aba ene we hu anya me fe we mpa bo anya fe we ne ka anya fe we on share dan ko school no achi bia we atete kwa dodo odidi ana we service ana no we so teta say dey so for kan ene nyoma ne me adien ena wo ba no betimi aya wo betimi aso ne e ma betimi aba fom no waso obi am keke ana wo fele sese ongware kura na wo nche danya big deal
media me feel say ongware na wo a your society die so your role model a big deal and there we role model a big deal
and Ghana ha
and there we role model because nipa bebre na show nti wo nipa ba ko pena ofo se wo de o onware wo time ko nti wo de wa wo no ebi mo so be ka cho se wo se bi wo a ye bi sa se o ma wen e mi sa se wo kunu wen eno de se se ye fini aba o wo da ho a ye bi sa o ma ye mi sa wo kunu which is true so unye hu obi tuare o masan o ja masan eno ne first question a ye hu poster e bi sa aha eno nti sa na sisi ano ebi mo but so your role model wo nipa ba ko na bia wakwo na onware no nipa be 20 ena esua a omo de ye example say na asimesi kura menim ni sa wakwo onware ye so what is aha asimesi but so wo na omo understand you especially wo na omo mentor nti so omo mentor na sa wo no akwo a onware ya sister ebe omo ina anti obi a omeso me wo anya hye meso me wo anya hye I mean for obi to say gift auntie me reading the comments ba Ebra on worry minim comments and uncle for church or worry in life I had testimony to people sir ko social media comments eba so
also offer problems in one kasa
na me wan wo na worry answer wonti obi think o se nyame aya ama na me nso me gidi se nyame be ya ama nti obi so hu se o chen ya nyame be hye ne nuya onu nipa ba ko no sisi anipa be 1000 e comment no e wo no read positive comments na nipa be 1000 e no si ano mo hye no say ni what is almost so change yame
omo burukura
as I was saying comment doors will be because social media issues in the doors enti nipa bebre na enam onu gift so change
adane testimony amobia
exactly obi enya reshem onyame mu enti do onye sofo no
but yes we dey okay to say 1 out of bear here because 1,000 and then on the same social media no so there are people nkrofo helium say hey oh you fine oh I deal
no dey ya bojo so ya bojo so ye be piempia
but the same
na unyini e wo se unyini na me cho sisi ano awo ne na elidi o aware ne de sisi abe life e ye ring no ne ceremony no o dwi kenta o be hye ho na ye kuntan o be change ne ho 3-5 me ka ho
oh na say no dey ja wo bi if you have a flaunt
exactly into ye gin so wo show bi be wari a occasion no Saturday Sunday and Friday Saturday Sunday and no ho sa dressing ni ade na aduane obeye ne no na o hye aware na nkasa no kra na ye kom no sister ye nwen ho so what you say enu nti odwene ono no say ni dressing ni ade na
just any person na put to sa pressure na say no so want me nwen
exactly
mama call me phone lines so me ba sisi a but don't for me pa cho frame here won so can be kire yen and so kind society nti amani pa bebre afeli so pressured obi wo kura be ma bi asabe won she dan nwen ho so be ware oh hu no a kire no awade no yo be ma bi so ho start adwuma ese papa wo nyi dodo 35 bo hu no so akoche mama pani bi no so ne tra any idea society pressures any idea no den pa na wo fele say wo mo a was our precious in a common then our money. From a number no a year 0302 216 and a 0302 216 with me so for 0268 499 347. From me and also can be a chreme and men crop for our hanuma ubia ayakrado papa. Eric Walker Swa. Hello, Eric. Eric.
Mami, good evening.
Good evening, Pacho. I want to say, na kase free.
Pacho,
you, Eric and Pacho, me and you.
Pacho, no more can na no cre, minister for ya again. And I'm papa no din kan kasani again, and another I'm in the Catherine and Nadia said, and I say, Yamisha, and so did not do a swim game. Mitia, Dibia, and Dibia, so close to you, sir. Okay, bye.
Bye, darling. That's papa, Panyami, wish round so. Why? That's a pa. Esther, so if we are then. Hello, Esther.
Yes, madam.
Miss Sweetheart, it is saying.
That's all me here, my mom say.
Adom Nkomo, Esther Pacho me too.
That's all me say. Me pese me visa man say ya say. Nyame say, any ni passe, the any ni ever fa. Into me say we are saying my no my gun and me say. Omun shedi nyame epe. Enye de ni papa ni dress ene awon fe no nya ni na zia. Yen hwehwe awade ati kwan. Na yen aware no na me wa hira so amanyipo. Enti so wo ji aware bata potete nyankopon. Awade kan wona mo na dwuma ye mai sa wate.
Amen. Esther yeda se papa nyamisha. Mama fa inkum wotema. Hello inkum.
Hello inkum mama ati like.
Adumo Pacho na onso
Ya me adum ho program next fine.
Ya de nyame asem Pacho inkum yete o.
Ni pop des na se yang se contact ya no asem na yi kama. About you so worry. Have go do baby na me nyan worry. Na me twan kakra. Who can say na so eno me ne enhye na wotakrama no so. Ntedu tam so no so san so kasa this year there. My just have my worry. Ana mabe because I read the assessment mark as someone young way. In this work, can about the baby no so son. Started me I ready. So one case also I know what the kind of sounds as and me hey channel. Into sometimes and you know the kind of the problem be eba where I worry me na womb. You know sometimes some man should be beer or the beer so worry no. Remember baba na so sim. A chocolate and no afu beer and baby. So say because no last week no can be about say bia man na so ba bia was say fan what we say no e sent no unye deodorant na the year na say show the year and say a bullet break na feel so no
na
we I mean
yen kan I need dey no
but you
alcohol deodorant ko fa show ho dey and then na opposite wo
it's the last no because of more sent or more
but deodorant dey ya anya ne say fa ko shesa we ka say wala bia ube wie na fe sent no ground wasan so ase no why you me so na see Memfa Efo wa shaman. Hello Efo.
Hello.
Efo.
Hey, mi aba.
Ayawa.
Mi tra how.
Peso me jina ha papa na de mate wani asi.
Oh, aduma na wo yero wa.
Ya ha?
Bomodi na that you kwoti asori ka ho why.
Oh, ba jo mate asori o.
Ah, oh, yo, ene dakru me pe dabi na mi be fe o.
Oh, besra me na be mani asi.
Mami ntia mi brother ba kupa o ti aduma we pa friend Mr. Patrick Sasu. Our Free West Cargo manager or tiu papa.
All right.
Ni aba se na mudi trans in denu. Hiama ye papa. Na media mi di mi asu trans ya. Awu se na mu kase sia. Ye nunu ba no bebre. O mo sisu na, sisu no. Bo se life no mu bo. Ani ni ama bi no mu ye no. Na di how ni breo. Ba ku ya nyi se na atu agu. Nyi na atu agu. Wow, no, yes, I didn't 50. Wow, a bit soon of a drum, for you planning, be no yes, Auntie Abedu Babino. Now, wouldn't but a honu, now would no Bema Bina, a honu Niasia Bris of Peban, or Honemba. And immediate, and yet, Mammy 4 and then Nipa Piano, the Bebrenu. asifo no so mo hadwi na mo no me de me di nya se trase nyama bi no mo ye no anu so koso sa nyama no anu nti nto mo hwa won so yie pa
eno de no kre e bebre so ho aya ade esi wo honhom no eno anso na da di wo honam mu nti ye me fa jeje so e wo ashaman jeje woni me last caller hello jeje
yes madam
Miss Sweetheart now what to say
oh nyame adom ho ye now so
Adom Nkomo abeme na mpacho me yenti why
asema na so for kana the promotion is set for say yemfa asem ni serious yemfa ntie kutokum because minim woman bia ni ene neti ma me ni ho fe pa se be ma be katin so pe no ne koda na wa jo so onim
no so ajo so
no wa jo so guno
me anso me ni mu girl bi ono so be ma bi obefa ne bi o so ni rade ma edem ho ne na se bonwa ma be ma ne betime jane dan ho be 1 week
ma me serious
no krepa
serious asem na so for kana obu on mo tenchen na won tia se obeka se ase so for no asem bi na woka keke
no krepa ye di ni
serious pa it is o fasa ayiwe mu na ese wo se bibi koso yes o ma empire dey edi wanim
all right
na nyame e trawo beda ma se e wo program
be me na me so me da se papa why era se yemra hanom na afi yentoa so de wo mu no se de so for kan so for menim girl bi wo kuma se de se de make no girl no hu na untimi hwe ni mi no eya me amadamfo me kosra no efiri nkra ha oye djuma oye corporate work oye kokokoko me on de me jire se best obi na de ye no ukoda ne mpa so kora enye yi sent pa na ja me ko me won penifo bi ho no na girl no so won ware na madafo ba ko hu se me nam see ma me wadafo ni fa ne ma me ni hu fe na me de no ka se won ni pie ye one day ja me de me ja wo ekopem ba bi tran my friend madam funa after me free ho bank ankra friend one fa afa me ko fo obi phone am de friend afo for no nkra no nim say me afa na say mami ai na ye me boni say na simpa cho adan wo betira watu ni dan no wo se onye wura ho keke kra na ofi enyo no nko ha ba ku bi edin bi so kai ne efure nkra ha ne efe papa bi sikani bi ne efe Mr. Jevon not eyi honom man probi ho baby sa area mu ho mpotem honom na girl bi ho honom girl no fe ono so nya obroni bi oba be ware no broni no baba be ye ne ho ade ma abusuafo ne nam ho ne ade nyina da ko awi akete broni sesa ne nyoma nyina so okọ ye busa na wose obi aba ho abebo na sum wo be hwe na sum wo ye hu nipa na wo hwe na sum no broni na anware girl no de ko na girl no sa na ai ye we bi no so ho no ma wo be me bi obeba ne nchen bia ne be ma be wu anasa na djuma be sei enti sam na sofo ka no ensem a ewo ho pa enti wa hwe ya wo de ni nyina be bu no se we nanso ade bia ebesi wo physical no na je se honhom no esi so dada enti ni o me bi ho no ma say ade ne say once in a while obi de na emfa na say normal but say ade ye repeated and ni o me bi e koso bia he te say wo be hwehwe mu na nyame nipa etimi aboa me so that I conclude de na me koso
obi aba ya mpene say yes no kwa bia ka libre selective ono anga nipa no ko nim di ope me starting my me obi oni ma bebere so persikafo o this time Ghana for my ya ba woni hwe ni pioto be trepe o buza asmi peskani ukra uniska o papa kura niska o se me peskani so selective na say o peskani be so hwe nipa no so future be ma bi wono ma sisi ano ni hwe sister o de ma ho 5 years and 10 years on no bo no mo so these days no obu oso bia nyo bia na se bi obenya oba o chen no na be ma o chen no bibia timisi oba ma bi wono ma otiminya oba o chen no oba bi so onya be ma o chen no obu oso mo age epe
o chen no ye the age asam na okay
ni ma peti na ma ye delay obu ha onya bi so onya kunu ni bi kunu no nya bi
obi so kro o wenya bi obeka se be ma na be ma sha
eno na chete na make the select bi
so for san ni we nya mo bo so
me these days na me dream am say na ne mpaboa na ne belt na short
on dressy ye obi so we be ma na yatete kwa adodo obi so say but emu ma de ba kwa man no so kan ti ade ba kwa man kan no so dem dwe ho e say me ma ni bi waste so adodo yes oye hwin na ama ni zizi agozi we ama ni zizi akwakodu ni chest
Dani pano obi be fa
yes ni zizi agodu ni chest
5 years to come Dani pana ye na dia ya ne say wo no be proud dada na wanya na fi wo ni be twempra na obetete di opene ye aye eno na na ya
yes unya hwin fo na fa
omo classmates for mo ampene
sa
nyame ayi obi aba ya adom
no wanya no
aba be fa
fo ko tare
ama wani ye nkwan ya ma benkwan katenkwan ne nkaka ne ade awofufu ama wona wahyehye no now afi wa ko ware 10 years 12 years no asa ko hia
tango fo chance na o manyi
no ba be more problem what you say ye ne ma no ye hu ne ayepe na afi ye ndwen future ho dan sisi ano ubenya soko 2 years 1 year
na ware ne egu no mama mra nana me pa cho sesi anti ma no omunye den eden na be ma omu so mani aba omu ho so sesi omu ho so ma ware kechiri oma wo kechiri a waye fertility counselor eden na obeka chiro
okay ze oka emma na just wa kan munyina abom ye omo
oh obi a emma in general de wa wo de onwo ye onyi me kan omo nyi
je say ye wo ma enware ye ene ye wo emma aware
all right
you know mindi kan sha se fi omo enware ye now onware ye na opeba and I'm speaking as a professional it's an individual decision it's an individual decision as to whether say opese owo ansana wa aware no ebeba o emma o and I say you know whatever it is it's an individual decision but as I said from the beginning men are not disturbed
but you can treat
near eba no woso no enya no na how dey mom said they will process nyoma efa wa dwen mu wo process nearby woso no efa no ene na ebe ma no atetew say opese owo na ofo say wa na ubetumi a control affairs behwe abofra no wo sika na behwe abofra no na watete no edus baby a ne enti sa ne say emma so betumi aware na awo ne mma ombeko aware be man be jam na omapa akoware be man betumi jam no akokwa aware foforo na wakwa akowo ha enti no to that extent na say won so no at this level na wahwa would do baby at 35-40 beyond 40 cry be more enware now say if you want to take that step it's an individual decision however you significant others in kofua e wo wabrabom unua no mo ma me no mo no ebusuafo no it will be very important say woni bi mu sad discussion is and say almost so they are very much concerned about you even though say it's an individual decision say uwebusuafo adofo a decision bi a obetake no it will have impact
ebe affect you
okay modern na any of this and na ye ba omo ware na I warn my so far can be breed but medically and no say obewo no easier e chen da na ye nimo no no na oba enwa na akoye
boachibidin
any efie jedum enya ye no say wa ware na awon ma it is much easier than several years ago kwa bebre ahodo bebre aba yetumi efa so ema oba edum edewo the first advice and na metumi aka and say so ware na so peba na awon enya ma ya 6 months 1 year but modern co hospital and boy said they are also for akano nemum ne dikanya asese wo ye and say obekọ hospital because empire no crampo no bo na unnim adepotin ma yenhu se ebia okọ hospital mumie no ade ne fi bema no ebia bema no sperm na hoden no e ofem you know there are sperm parameters ebia ne motility morphology and you know sperm count na hoden e wo mu ne dodro no ahoden edi tumirika
se hospital ne yen check
na bema no yen check oba no so yen hwe wa wode na hwe o tube yen hwe o nkosua no se ahoden wo mti no if you say utumi ehu baby potin adie efia
problem no
na say what the mpaebo no e support no because omuhu medically a wo kontem a
it's be grab and say be any problem bia
no e won kofo bebre a abaye nche just medication etumi correct eduru e de be ma nko ano e betumi am wanyi say so to go to the advanced aspect of doing e bia be in vitro fertilization e be yi be man sperm e be your ba no kosua ni fertilize or lab na e dia ba betum no ne advanced but ni nyina no eno no so po ebi mo fan say no ye last minute a year last resort. It is not correct that way because a baby will hon ma 18 years what worry you could be 18 years what worry a warning bar the first resort na near at the betumi abo more to me awo and say in vitro fertilization depending on the parameters and you will be able who any bear man on na be kire say as I say yo IVF and I see this form you know IVF
na de ni nyina nipa bebre nso ye bia ye uni nkrofo mo so bebre ye obi betima ye the be 3 times 4 times ni ade esika no so bebre enso still awo no so
and ye wo organizations ne fertility centers bebre aba ebo no gradually ban eba fam
because ye ni nkrofo bebre o ma ye the be 4 times 5 times
100% so you are right no press and 100% so
that be said the whole can earlier and say e very easy no ti na me can say and say the whole can no dey na just say ukoya dey o chances are clear but then no so ye na several
dey dey o dey aka ubetumi aye obi on ma ye baako na tum ama obi hon ma chese why a number of times asan when you say that is correct but near make ka kosia ne say and no I was said ebo be wo no easier
okay
change tete no said ya ne anim no isan say akwanya bebre aba say obey nemum
it can say percentage wise no saying is it 50-50 60-40 70-30
internationally you go to 33% as a success rate 33% as a success however omemu hano there are other things that are done success rate in ekosro no one say internationally look for abrochi ne nasifo na Europe ne America ne nasifo na omo ye single embryo transfer ne che ne say omo fertilize nkosua no ene obana sperm ebia embryo no fertilizer ne fertilizer baako ene obetumeto de bia
but nyame adoma next week memo aba no abete because the okay ye ne de quiet technical
megina na de retu na me ka baako say
ai wow ho na me ba begina na bo so awie na afa ye ko koi
ya me kana say
who's when you
enu no
mama nka me messages kakra na who's when you mama nka me messages kakra obi say good evening mama I'm 28 years without a husband or a child and my mother is putting so much pressure on me asking me to give birth if I don't want to marry. What should I do, sweetheart? So you Christo did the make a choice saying about train 28 years and I work on an ajwa or no 28 now can as time no parliament. Oh branch dance on the other. Unu baby and about train a bomb pie. Now rather than also share waste in the idea. If you have a maybe by also church or kakra. Obianso makra dia patch start a bomb pie. So for Joshua J so the number so be tuja. Now so akwa ko nampa cho. So out of wedlock there. And ya dey advice say kopo obi kun na nengo because obi am my idea hwan na neneko ugo ye IVF no ana say dey na kola no odi papa no so for them enti mame so obi am my idea me pa cho nyabotre etwen nyame na bo nyame mpa ye say onyi obi ma ho say wonti wanim so ate wanim sere uhu obi asere eno so ma nya no kwase asem bo hon ma wa sere sa no so obi betima ja ho smiling kitinkiti ni twam. Good evening mommy gold. Or say, please, marriage in Ghana now is fashion because it's normal. God bless you with all your good work. And you fear no different North Carnation or say Ghana Hanomono. You see, our no in seriousness be fashion. Mommy, please, I want you to tell Felicia Brago of Regional Maritime that I love her so much. Where Joshua, suffer Joshua, but I don't know where Joshua or different tema. So for you must we say wa nya wa so for Joshua we dey go mommy please I need a job. Hey really nya botre besi go where ye papa ye friend say kwesi chum one day hwe obetima fa watna no musa obenya dwuma ye one time. So, if I told me, Banafi, also the Woody, Etimiante. Mommy, please, I need the pastor's number. Hey. So for now, I read your whole Bible body numbers that please, I need the pastor's number, very urgent. The one who spoke about spiritual marriage. I'm a victim of that. Please, mommy, but yourself just ready or the number. I bet to now what the amount says here. Obi say good evening, mommy, to you and your panelists. I'm going through this problem. Some even tell me their dresses are ready for marriage. And me say me tinting crofos me pa boy you ready. Me sure I ready. Ready for bonnet chame. Yeah, pressure mo bi monenam. Safu.
Me das. Dey me say me catch am for the say. Enya abrewa ena ye bonyini. Abrewa enya ona ye bonyini. Akwada ena ye bonyini.
Yes, enya wo a wanyi
ena we bonyini.
Ena ye boni. Na wo a wadru wa wo mfie so na wo no. Wo na ye boni.
Just one hwe. I don't see no doctors for sometimes one delay man be brave. Umaba yenche no almost 60 years, 40 years.
You better na just say too late.
Say oba no kata say wajene. Akola ebonyini. If say akola no see so no onye mother for the whole life. What try bibia onyem. E nye say obanyini wie na wa ebonyini. So just enya abrewa na wo akola o yare. Dem abaya na wo yarefo.
Okay.
What shawachi abwamu abra si tama baba abrewa. Enti ni be bi o ma influence e shabase.
Okay.
Enti ama fo mo ni mra o mo so. Me matena.
Tina je say the person che say aya fa nyame de any hospital de nyina bom. Na wo hwe ha na wo hwe ha nso. Na enkoye te say bia eye we nko a.
Say nyame Adom, me preach America.
All right.
Emrofo aba bejima. Me preach Germany. Emrofo aba bejima.
Na so for me ti a me twentafo e wo ma me bi.
So nya waje so ba me ho.
Na so for say me bansa wo da bia wo ma me chen. Bra mi koko.
Eti wo say emrofo no kra no wo yama.
Twentafo
bebre wo. On the hospitals wo. Ghana the learning something.
190 me baby.
Enu te me catch man for ehwe odifo Joshua J. Me de sunsuma de na me ye.
Ba ko pe.
Me ka sunsuma de.
So for kan wo de a ni ban so de when you free air time.
Onye free air time say.
Kasa. I ban so de. So for kasa na brana so be ho ani you free so.
Me number o ba me ho a be ni. Echina nyame yadoma no pan me yem pabo kase pa wakra. Wo de ba bi o de oba kwa na onto collection betenem bi.
All right.
Na hwe de nyame etie e de nyame tumi.
On fa collection won timi fan sapa ya nyame fie. All right.
And to ba fa number me yensa. What's my phrase 0247?
Hey, so baby,
0247 91 1171. 0247 9111 71. Last number is 0555 02 8272. And a bonus.
Okay.
0555 02 8272. And I bet you might try 0244.
Okay.
50 7704 or Chanapa I am Pibo.
What's on the way?
Our Domi.
Domi here.
Domi will say, my dear Dively. Lances of
Domi Dively, important one. We have Busas of this radio.
We do Domi market to one bank. You say, Ferrari Shema Bank.
Okay.
See, I the Shema Bank in him. But somebody can say, request about me to or Fakwana Sobram.
See, a drone of my mini, you want to be a man to one. It's awful.
One is my bank in it. A common place. It will be women. 0247 911 0247 911.
It's awful. Yeah, they go for that from. Mammy, but also tell what you are going to go and then see and go for a constituents and almost when you're once and because there is a more position. I've been a Yebeko primaries. See, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, dear, 8 December. Yamia Duma, we are February. The Bay of Fan constituencies, and Najo, Messanco, Guma Centra. Now, Mr. Guma Centra for NDC delegates. I'm a delegate back up. Montoman, what? Montoman and Najwa, dear mini pa. First one, call me hungry. And so, second one, dear. Me, any Betsy name, Mammy, see. Yeah, you know, she already did this time, so come on, dear. I say, I'm Adom. And I make 1 minute answer. Oh, time, me NGO Basima Foundation so sene unim ne yehwe ekuna for njankane disable matitu ne yehwe baka but mesre me buy we ka say ye conclude a kitwe bi issue na eda ho ye men's gold for no mesre ye besi kromo ano say aban amfa ne nsima
mesre e dey so be breba
men's go no yan mo nya dwuma no saa
no issue ni dey omo defaulty payment
and I'm saying till owo
problem no license no say regulation no omo regulating ye you I think say say ban bem minerals commission gold dey say under minerals commission but see anu when na bank of Ghana in na security one china
but aban hwem no so dey
aban hwem ohwe mu
na say omo ye adwuma
close down ye close omo ye yankofo na ye adwuma ho no aban we create adwuma sen
abade owo mu no so say yati bi nso wo be bi nti say nneoma bi wo say say omo hyehyɛ ne yie
omo je na make regulation that is the word I use omo je no omo regulating ya mani aha na omo mu nja so omo close no because adwuma ne bi no we dey be ma ye yankofo na
wo be samba aban mu bi mu ba ya wa beka yanko ye
na say ye na regulate ye na ye answers license na dey ma omo na mo test na pia me so omo tete na pia me ni moda enti mpacho so shona fa na mato akwa mekuna fo na ebre minja nka ne mekuna fo
na jo we am punish wo yanko
Adom kwa ya ba mo mai fu we am the beguso
ye na am drink his way we no be
ope oba ewo oman mu a ene kwanya bebre ho no empire boka ho ni titiri se and also no ubebo made esiki medical attention be hospital na ya hwehwe mu na ye hu se
nti men ko wo out of wedlock keke
o ekontemo a ebeboa o isan se de ye kan de bia no niema eche bebre no se
ebre nti fa number to dwawai
050
okay
158
all right
5287
pacho Nana ya was say our fertility counselor one na what say in Kano and son and Nana Joa Paul one was what's in a former deputy minister on us what's in Kano and son me papa ba kope so for Joshua J bread of life as a penny or no so or chinampa boni if you had one eyes off yebeko any idea nyame Adom next week yebesan so aba na emu me ka kire o semedof we sa won ware ya nyabotre nyame obedo mo be maka obeti ase di ntia nyame ema wo twen no enkopre wo ho enkotam ba bi enkowo keke na afi be wi akire no na kola no kro woni eja edin se bebre ne beba enti nyabotre saa so na sa waware na se bre ne nso ya saa fafa nyame akwan ko nyame nipa bi ho na wo mo ano nye hwehwe mu ma saa so na betimi akọ hospital so na ya check bibia de amam na se doctor ka se twen ya nyabotre twen na nyame obeye nyame shira so jebre hwe ye feme MAME YEBOAA ASEIDU so jebra wutie ye feme MAME YEBOAA ASEIDU nyame me number 0207 939870 0207 939870 nyame adoma dasene besante nkabiem edamase
Mr.